Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make good nachos. Achieving perfect nachos starts with selecting the right foundation. Choose robust tortilla chips that can hold up to generous toppings without becoming soggy. Evenly distribute your ingredients across the chips, ensuring every bite is flavorful. Freshly shredded cheese melts much better than pre-shredded, creating a creamy, delicious blanket over your nachos. For that irresistible cheese pull, don't limit yourself to just one type of cheese. A blend of cheddar and Monterey Jack offers both sharpness and meltability. Alternatively, a homemade cheese sauce ensures every chip is coated in gooey goodness. Prepping all your toppings like seasoned meat, jalapenos, and onions beforehand makes assembly a breeze and keeps your chips from getting soggy.
Hey everyone, if you're finding these nacho tips helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more great content. Quick recommendation. Just like you wouldn't settle for bland nachos, why settle for cheap socks? Darn Tough socks offer incredible comfort and a lifetime warranty. Check the description for a link to these fantastic socks and other exclusive deals. Now, let's get back to the video.
The heart of great nachos often lies in their fillings. Whether you choose ground beef, chicken, or a vegetarian option, ensure it's well seasoned and cooked thoroughly. Fresh, vibrant vegetables like diced tomatoes, red onions, and cilantro add a crucial layer of freshness and crunch. Don't forget to include black beans or corn for extra texture and a boost of fiber. Baking your nachos correctly is key to a perfect outcome. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and bake until the cheese is fully melted and bubbly, usually about 8 to 10 minutes. Watch them closely to prevent the chips from burning. Once out of the oven, immediately add fresh garnishes like a dollop of sour cream, a scoop of guacamole, and a sprinkle of fresh cilantro.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.